Good morning, one and all present here. I am Dr. Ravi Raja Malarvannan, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Savitha Engineering College. Last class we have seen the rolling process, cold rolling, hot rolling and other types. Also we have seen the terminology, rolling terminology, ingots, blooms, billet, slab, strips, plate. Today we are going to see flat strip rolling. The flat strip is manufactured from the slab. Slab having rectangular cross section. Slab is made by hot rolling of ingot. It has cross section area greater than or equal to 100 square centimeters and its width is greater than or equal to 3 times of its thickness. Slabs are used to form plates, seats, strips, etc. Strip and flat strip. Strip is same as sheets but has width less than 60 centimeter. Flat strip has rectangular cross section. The ingots is a product of continuous casting and heated in soaking pit furnace. Strips we are using in the packing industry, automotive industry, electrical industry, so on. Here, so you can see how we are producing the flat strip. In flat strip rolling process, slab is the input. Here you see slab caster, reheating furnace, sizing press, roughing mill, coil box, sheet bar shear, sheet bar builder, finishing mill, high capacity cooler, strip shear, coiler and winding. The setup of flat strip rolling process. Flat strip rolling process is only for rectangular cross section part production. The process of ingots in stirring 1.5 meter length and 300 to 500 millimeter square in cross section. It involves rolling of sheets, plates having rectangular cross section in which the width is greater than the thickness. In flat rolling, the plate thickness is reduced by squeezing between two rolls. The thickness reduction is quantified by a draft which is given by D equal to TO minus TF. Here TO and TF are initial thickness and final thickness of the sheet used for rolling. Flat strip rolling process. The starting and ending of material have rectangular cross sectional area in rolling process of flat rolling. Normally the slab is flat. Slab is fed in between the rollers, squeezed to get the strip. The starting material thickness is having more than the gap between the two rollers, so the metal is deformed together and then the thickness of material is decreased and elongated. Sometimes the flat strip process to allow sufficient amount of heat in work ability of metal. Lubrication is often allowed to keep workpiece from sticking to the roll. The speed of rolling and temperature can be adjusted during the process. Finally, the product is similar thickness such as sheet metal or plates. In the flat strip rolling can machined in 6 mm thickness and below. The end of the product are flat thin sheets and weld tubes. Advantage: hot rolling can greatly reduce energy consumption and cost. Heating and operations are carried out. Hot rolling can improve the processing performance of metals and alloys. That is to say, the coarse grains during foundry are broken, the cracks are healed, the casting defects are reduced and eliminated. To achieve the continuous and automated rolling process. Disadvantage: After hot rolling, non-metallic inclusions, mainly sulfides and oxides as well as silicates, inside the steel are pressed into thin sheets causing delamination. The delamination greatly deteriorates the tensile properties of the steel in the thickness direction, and it is possible that interlaminar tearing occurs when the belt is strung. Residual stress caused by uneven cooling. Since it is a hot working process, skilled laborers are required. More expensive process. Applications. It is used in automotive industry for manufacture of various parts, electrical components manufacturing industry, key manufacturing, packing industry, etc. Thank you. We will see you next class.